It is very usual these days to offer your leads a gift of free useful information in return for your prospect's name and email address. This is an incentive that should motivate them to enter their details. As outlined before, this information should be of high value, and it must relate directly to your main product. It should allow your lead to take immediate action to, at minimum, partially solve their problem or need. If they get part of the solution free, and it works for them, they are more likely to buy the rest of the solution from you because they will have built trust. This gift should be designed to establish your credibility and build a high level of trust your prospect has in you. The free gift should demonstrate your skill or level of knowledge. An initial free product will be 100 times more effective than if you simply promise people that you can help them in your sales copy. Without offering proof, you will be asking them to buy from you before you have built any trust. Your gift can also be designed to create additional income if you include various recommendations and links to products that your prospect may need to help them find their solution. You receive an affiliate commission if they click on the links and buy the affiliate products. I will tell you where to find affiliate products shortly. You would also include a short call to action at the end of the gift relating to your product or service. You can put a few links to your main product or service, or a small advert, partway through the gift, but it should not look like one long sales pitch for your product or service. As explained before, your aim is to give the maximum amount of value at this early stage, to generate goodwill and a high level of trust in your capabilities, and to let them know you can provide further answers in due course. Obviously, if they want these additional solutions to their problems, you will ask them to buy, which is when your business starts to operate profitably. My rule when working out what to give away and what to sell is your free gift should tell your prospects what they should do to achieve the solution. Your paid-for product should tell them how to achieve the solution they seek. The ideal gift is information in the form of a PDF document that can be added to your autoresponder, found inside your GetResponse account, and will be sent to your prospect automatically 24 hours a day. Depending on your niche, this gift can be anything from 1 page up to about 30 pages of information. How to find or create effective gifts. Think about what information, in the form of a PDF document, you could give away within your niche, business, or industry. It must be of real value to your prospects and which would give them some results in advance of purchasing something from you. Here are your action steps. Alternative 1. Search Google and Bing for free giveaways and you will discover ready-made things you could offer as an incentive for leads to subscribe to your email list. Alternative 2. List the headings of information gifts you could write yourself. This can be done in a word processor program and then saved as a PDF. Alternative 3. Using the link on this page, visit idplr.com, create a free account and you will find a wide variety of gifts you can use.